Hi, in this video we will see the modernized admin template which is built on Bootstrap version 5, which is the latest version of Bootstrap. So it's a very beautiful template with different admin designs. As you can see, we have different design for e-commerce, then we have modern for NFTs, cryptos, etc. And we also have different modes. If you'll see, this is currently the light mode, and this one is the dark mode. And we also have different color themes, different layout options, right? So in this video we will see how you can install this admin dashboard to use it, and how you can actually customize it once you download the folders. Once you download and extract the zip file, you will get these three main folders. If you want to check the designs, then you can go to the Figma file folder, and here we have given both the links for Google Drive as well as for the Figma file, right? You can open it and you can check the designs and all. If you go to dist folder, we have the documentation, official documentation. You just have to go to index page and it will open on your default web browser. And here we have given a small introduction about the template, and you just need to have the knowledge of CSS, HTML and Bootstrap, and then you can easily modify and adapt this template according to your use. Then we have a support ticket, which I will tell you about this one later. We have also given the package structure. If you'll see it, the demos are inside the demo and demo folder. Then we have src, which is one of the main folders. Inside assets we have all the CSS fonts, images, etc. Then the dark mode files are inside the dark folder. Then we have the documentation. Then we have different layouts, horizontal layout, and the files are in the horizontal folder. Then we also have one main demo here, then the RTL mode, then mini sidebar mode, and these are for the Gulf files which are basically needed, and this one is for the starter kit. We also have one different one. If you do not want to use the whole project, then you can go with the starter kit as well. Now let's see how you can quickly start the project. So it says that your local system should have NPM version and Node version, which should be 18 plus and 8 plus. So if you want to check which version you have, you just have to open the command prompt and type node-v to check the node version. My local system has version 21.1, which is more than 18, so it's good to go. Then you can also check the NPM version. My system has 10.8, which is more than 8 again, right? If your system shows any error, any kind of error, then what you can do, you can update the node version and NPM version. You just have to go to the official website. This one is for the Node.js version, and you can download the Node.js directly from here, the latest one. Same, you can go to the NPM website and you can download the latest version from npm.com. Now to install the project, what you have to do, you just have to open the project folder, package and demos, and then we have to install the node package modules. Let me show you. So let's open the VS Code. I'm using VS Code. You can use any other code editor. I've opened the file inside my VS Code editor. As you can see, we are inside the package and demos. Here is the path given. Now we just have to install npm node package modules. If you are using yarn, you can use yarn install. I'm going with npm install, right? It will take some time to install all the node package modules. Once it gets installed, then I'll show you how you can start the project. NPM version, NPM modules have been installed. As you can see, a new folder has been created by the name of node_modules. Now let's go back to documentation and see how you can start the project. In order to start the project, you need to have Gulp installed in your local system. And then if you want to check, you just have to go again to the command prompt and check Gulp_v. So the CLI version is 2.3, so it's globally installed. If it's not installed on your local system, then what you can do, you just have to type this command and it will be installed. It's easy. And then to start the project, you just have to type Gulp. See, the project has been started on our localhost 3000. Now you can edit it and manipulate it according to your convenience. So the fourth command is build. Once you complete a project, and if you want to deploy it on the server, then you have to run this command gulp build, and it will give you a specific folder which you have to host on the server. So let's check out the layout option, the customization part, how you can actually customize it. So this one is for the layout change. Let me show you first. So this is the option given. So these are the default one for now. If you want to change the default to dark or the theme direction to left or right and theme colors, then we have few more options. Then you have to make changes in this file app.init.js. So let me show you. Let's inside the src. Then we have assets inside js. Then we have one file called theme, and then app.init.js. So this is the file, and as you can see on the comment, we have also mentioned the values which you can use. So in order to change to the dark mode, then you just have to change theme to dark, and when you refresh the browser, the default theme is now dark, right? Same goes with the color themes for all the options here. Let me change this one to horizontal. Let's save the file and just refresh the page. See, the theme has been changed to horizontal by default, and if you want to change the layout, it's now vertical, right? So this is how you can manipulate this theme. It's only one file and it's quite easy to use. Let's also change the color theme to aqua theme. Let's refresh the file. Yes, the theme is now aqua, as you can see, this one, right? So let's undo the changes. Vertical, light, and let's make it to purple. See, the dashboard has been changed, default settings has been changed. This is how you can use this file to do the things. So this is for the theme color. If you want to configure the mini sidebar, the full sidebar, the full width layout if you want it or no, and if you want a card with border or not, and you can also manipulate the shadow and the dark theme, which I've already shown you, right? The second customization is the logo. If you want to change the logo, then this is the one. It's inside the again src. Then we have to go to main. Then there's one folder partial, and inside partial we have logo sidebar. right? So this is the file, and this is for the dark logo, and this is for the light logo. Since we have two different modes, light and dark, so according to that we have used logos, and you can change it accordingly from this file. Alright, so to manipulate the global skin colors, what you have to do, you just have to go to the, since we have different color themes and we have different modes, light and dark, so you have to manipulate few files. So if you want to change the blue variable, the main color, this one, then we have to make changes in this file. The default theme is purple. Let's make changes to the purple one. This is for the purple, right? So what you have to do, you just have to change the primary color, which is purple for now. Let's undo it and let's make it to the black, and let's see if it's changed or not. See, the primary color of which was purple earlier, and it has been changed to black, right? So this is how you can manipulate with the color files accordingly. It's all given here for different color themes. So this is how you can manipulate it. This is the one: aqua, blue, dark, green, orange, and purple, right? So this is for the variables main file, which is basically inside the SRC variables. This is the one. This one is the main file. If you want to make changes in the directly in the primary or want to use secondary, then you can make changes in these files, right? It's kind of globally. And in order to change the typography, so for now we are using Jakarta fonts. You just have to make change in this link, and then you have to make changes in this one. So it's inside the style.css, which is this one, styles.css, right? This is the link given. If you want to use any other link, you just copy that link from Google Fonts, paste it here, and then you have to make change in one more file, which is the variables.css. This is the file, and inside it we have the font family. You just have to mention that font family here, and your font family will be changed, right? So for icons, we are using tabular icons. It's the library has already been installed into the project, so you just have to copy the icon name like this. If you want to know the icon name, we have given the official website link here, tabularicons.io. This is the one. Like, if you want to use this one, then you can copy the you can check the icon name from here, and you can copy accordingly. If you want to directly use the SVG, you can also do that, and you just have to use it like this. right? This is for the font size. As you can see, the font size is increasing. The last one is for the 10th one. So it's very easy to use. You can implement it directly, and since it's built on Bootstrap, so we have also given some shortcuts if you want to use make any change any button or change any other element like tabs, list, grids, carousel, scrolls, price, pinners, breadcrumbs. So this is basically the shortcut. You can just copy from here and paste into the project directly, right? So this is how you can change and manipulate things. But if you still face any issue with the project while installing it or manipulating it, what you can do, you can go to this link at bitmart.com/support, and you can raise a ticket and your query will be resolved as soon as possible, right? So